So when we are going to differentiate this, you see that we have two functions which are multiplied. And automatically you see that we are going to apply the product rule. We let this called one term u, and this is called another term v. And you know how we differentiate with the product rule. When you have u times v from the formula, derivative u times v from the formula derivative, it is equal to u derivative times v plus v derivative times u. So that is what we are going to do here. We are going to take this from there. We are going to find that dy dx, it will be equal to u derivative here, u derivative here, that 2x squared derivative, which is this one, we multiply with v, which is ln of x, then we add ln of x derivative, then we multiply with u. This is v that is added, then multiply with u, which is 2x squared. So this gives our dy dx, it will give, we drop these two. If you remember very well about how we differentiated the polynomial function, when you have a variable with a power, we drop a power, subtract 1 from power. So when you drop 2, multiply with 2. These 2 multiply with 2, we get 4. These 2 multiply with 2, we get 4. We remain with x power 1, because it is 2, negative 1. Then we multiply with ln of x, which is this one. Then we add the derivative of this, it is 1 over x, derivative of ln x, that is what we have seen from the starting of this session. Then multiply with 2x squared. So you see that our dy dx is equal to 4x ln of x plus this one, and one of those two x's can simplify. This one of these two x's can simplify, and you remain with 2x. We can write like 2x, we can put 2x as a common factor, remain with 2 ln x plus 1. This is our dy dx. So thank you very much. Let us meet in the comment section. Let us meet there, and if you have question, if you have a suggestion, you can provide it. If you have any problem, you can bring it, and we can continue sharing ideas. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to add, like, and don't forget to share. Thank you very much.